Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 15 genius ways to make money online in Canada in 2023. So what are some of these genius ways to make money online? Well, here are a few. 1. Start a YouTube channel. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for good reason. If you can create a successful YouTube channel, you can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. 2. Become a freelance writer or editor. If you have a knack for writing, you can make money online by freelancing as a writer or editor. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients, so you can find work that fits your skills and interests. 3. Start an online store. If you have a product or service that you think people would be interested in, you can start an online store to sell it. There are many platforms that make it easy to set up an online store, so you don't need any technical experience. 4. Do online surveys. This is a quick and easy way to make some extra money online. There are many websites that offer online surveys, and you can usually earn a few dollars for each survey you complete. 5. Take online courses. If you're looking to learn new skills, you can take online courses. There are many websites that offer online courses, and you can find courses on just about any topic. 6. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, and you can also make money from it. There are many ways to make money from blogging, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. 7. Freelance web design or development. If you have skills in web design or development, you can make money by freelancing. There are many websites that connect freelancers with clients, so you can find work that fits your skills and interests. 8. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great way to make money if you have strong organizational and communication skills. 9. Social media marketing. If you're good at social media, you can make money by helping businesses market their products or services on social media. There are many ways to make money from social media marketing, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, and consulting. 10. Transcribing audio or video files. If you have good listening skills, you can make money by transcribing audio or video files. This is a great way to make money if you're looking for a flexible work-from-home job. 11. Proofreading and editing. If you have a keen eye for detail, you can make money by proofreading and editing documents. This is a great way to make money if you're looking for a part-time or full-time job. 12. Teaching online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by teaching online courses. There are many platforms that allow you to create and sell online courses, so you can reach a global audience. 13. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. 14. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't need to keep any inventory. When someone places an order on your website, you simply forward the order to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This is a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment. 15. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. If you're looking for a way to make money in the long term, you can consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. However, it's important to do your research before you invest any money. So, those are just a few of the 15 genius ways to make money online in Canada in July 2023. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, or if you're looking to start a new career, I encourage you to check out these ideas. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more tips and advice in the future.